What are the consequences of tooth loss? Causes, effects, and treatments. Besides leaving a space between teeth, a missing tooth or teeth will cause other problems. The first one you should know about includes bone loss. When a tooth is absent, the lack of pressure from your bite causes your jawbone to undergo a constant reduction in size where that tooth was. In the first year, the jawbone will lose 25% of its width. A jawbone that is 2 inches high at the start can be reduced to 1/4 of an inch over time. Another change is the shifting of your teeth. Neighboring teeth will tend to drift toward the vacancy. They can rotate or drift, and the opposing tooth will grow longer. These changes will likely result in a change in diet because of the change of the alignment of your teeth. It will affect your bite. This often leads to poorer nutrition because you cannot chew foods that you used to eat regularly, so you tend to overcook them, which reduces their nutritional value. Bridges used to be the only way to replace missing teeth. Now there is an even better way: dental implants. Implants can last for a lifetime, and they provide a solid foundation for your teeth that prevents sliding. No dental work needs to be done to neighboring teeth either. Talk to your dentist about this great option for tooth replacement and for better health.